Hi friends, welcome to Sunitha's Arts World. Today we'll learn how to make this beautiful miniature food rockies. Take some clay and color it with whatever color you want and roll it thinly using a rolling pin or any tin like this. Then using a cookie cutter, cut it in the round shape. Smoothen the edges of the round circle piece. After smoothing it, using a pencil or ball tool, you can make some impressions around the circle. After making the impressions, you can also make some designs using a cutter in the sides also. The designs and shapes are up to you. You can make any designs you want and any impressions you want. So my plate is ready for decoration. Now take some green color clay and roll it thinly. As we are making the leaf should be very thin. So flatten it thinly. Now take another cutter which is a little bit small in size than the cutter we used for the plate and cut it. Now smoothen the sides and with the help of a cutter make some impressions like leaf. Use the blunt side of the cutter to make the impressions. Our leaf is ready. Now take some white clay and make two small rounds, small balls. And press it on your palm to make a shape like idli. Using a small toothpick, poke some impression on the idlis. My idlis are ready. Take the plate and apply Fevicol on it. And stick the leaf on it. Now stick the idlis side by side on the leaf, overlapping each other to look like real idlis. And now the chutney part. You can use both the Mod Podge or Fevicol to make the chutney. Take some clay and mix it with Mod Podge or Fevicol, whatever you want, and make a thick paste. Apply a little amount on the leaf. And then for the red chutney, mix some red color and burnt sienna color to the clay. And the final part is to garnish our plate. For garnishing, you can use real mustard seeds or make small balls out of clay and use it. For curry leaves and coriander, roll some green clay. Cut small pieces and stick on the chutneys. Now our idli plate is fully garnished and ready for our raki. For more beautiful arts like this, please like, share and subscribe Sunitha's Arts World. Bye.